So what's up? Kamusta? Ayos ba tayo dyan? So ayan, nandito tayo ngayon sa may Kymco booth, no? Dito sa may Inside Racing 2025. So ayan, kita naman natin, meron tayo rito Skytown 150. So tara, ikutan natin saglit para at least ma-share ko din sa inyo at ngayon ko lang din nakita personal itong motorcycle na to. So tara, quick walk around na natin.
I like to get paid, that's why I work every day. I'll be making
So yun nga, meron sila rito kulay black, kulay gray ba to? Gray, hindi ako sure kung gray or brown, parang ganun yung tingin ko. Ito kulay white, meron sila rito. And dito tayo, tingnan natin. Meron siyang windshield, oh, ganda, oh. Naka-clear, may Kymco, tapos hindi siya adjustable. And kakaiba yung ano talaga nito, kakaiba yung kanyang headlight. Okay, so kita niyo yan. Ganda ng headlight niya eh. Nakakita na ako ng ganito pero sa daan, hindi ako masyadong sure kung Kymco Skytown yun na 150. Pero ayan, ang ganda, oh. Ganda ng design niya rito, oh. May 150 na emblem. Tapos naka-traction control na rin to. Yung Skytown niya rito, ang ganda, oh. 3D emblem. Tapos panel gauge, naka-digital na rin tayo rito. Mode and adjust, ganda rin dito, oh. Meron tayong Skytown din dito. And yung handlebar niya, hindi siya naka-naked pero bagay naman sa kanya yung design dito. Tapos ang lapad tsaka ang tulis ng kanyang side mirror. Ayan, lever. Okay, grip. Sobrang kapit din ng grip. Tapos electric starter lang yun nandito sa side. Meron tayong flasher, high and low, signal light, and busina. Ayan. So hindi pa siya keyless, disusi pa rin siya. Meron tayong USB charging port dito. Ayan, dalawa na yan. Type C tsaka yung ordinary na USB. Mayroon din tayong side pocket, malalim din. Meron din tayong side pocket dito sa kabila. Ayan. So gas tank, yung kanyang upuan, leather, ang premium nung datingan na ito. May mga stitches din tayo rito, and then itsura, hindi natin nakita. Pero ayan, makita natin yung kanyang compartment. Ayan. So ito ay naka air cooled, no? Ito yung 150cc na pambato ng Kymco na naka air cooled. Tsaka mura lang ang isang to. Papakita ko na lang din siguro sa inyo yung kanilang price. Ayan. So maganda rin yung style ng tambucho nila. And yung sa panggilid, ito na yung panggilid nila. Green power naman yan. Tapos naka dual shock tayo rito. And meron tayo rito tire hugger. Ayan. Pero yung size sa likod, meron din tayo ABS eh. Sa likod. Ayan. Okay. Ang size dito ay 130/70 by 13. And sa tambucho naman, ito yung itsura niya. Ayan, 'di ba? Ang ganda, no? And naka-disc brake nga pala to, may swing arm din. Naka single pot caliper tayo rito. And sa kanyang grab bar, meron din tayo solid din. May Kymco na rin tayo rito. Then yung taillight niya halos parehas nung sa harap o yung headlight niya, 'di ba? So signal light natin dito, meron tayong bulb type. Naka dual shock, adjustable. Yung panggilid niya ang ganda eh. Ang forma, simple siya, pero ang ganda, elegante yung tingnan. Meron tayong Kymco na naka-engrave dito. Okay? Foot pegs, para siyang PCX. Ayan, oh. Yung datingan niya. And then meron tayong kill switch para sa kanyang side stand. Ayan. So, ayan yung itsura. So, meron tayong tatlong kulay. Okay, ayan. Ayan yung mga datingan niya. So, pakita natin ng buo. Montage na natin kasi medyo maingay. Okay? So, let's go.
just pay it. Yeah, it's a dream, the American dream. Live on top, don't stop till you got everything. But there's balance, cause this life is a challenge. You gotta live in the now while building up the talent. Make commas, turn a profit. I'm the boss, Willy Wonka, but it ain't chocolate. Yeah, I'm just being honest, I work for this shit. I'm usually modest, but this beat lit, so I'm going off thoughtless, talking my shit. Yeah, I'ma be the hottest designer in drip. I'm just coming with the rawness, I gotta admit that I'm usually usually modest, but I work hard for my shit. It's not about the destination, it's about the journey. So keep working till it's hurting, cause that's when you start deserving everything you want, everything you need. Trust the process, yeah, you got this. Keep on working till you bleed. Yeah, I've been there, yeah, I've done that. 10 long years of breaking my back, but now I'm up here, never looking back. I got more dreams that I wanna go attack. Keep on going, keep on moving, never give up. I'll keep going, I can prove just what I'm made of. I got that fire in me, got that desire in me. I'm never tired, I'll be pushing till I'm finally free. I was made to break away from the pack, to challenge, to fight, and to carve my own path. This world wasn't made for the weak, they don't last. Survival of the fittest, so be vicious and attack. I'm the type to make commas, turn a profit. I'm the boss, Willy Wonka, but it ain't chocolate. Yeah, I'm just being honest, I work for this shit. I'm usually modest, but the speed lit, so I'm going off thoughtless, talking my shit. Yeah, I'ma be the hottest designer in drip. I'm just coming with the rawness. I gotta admit that I'm usually modest, but I work hard for my shit.